Hi, my name is Melis Antonio Ramirez, but everyone just calls me Tony. I'm 20 years old and I'm a business management major here at Midland College. And this semester, hopefully, I'll be getting my associates in applied science. After that, I'm shooting for a bachelor's in applied technology and maybe go for an MBA in finance at UTPB. A little bit about myself is that I was born in Torreon, Coahuila, Mexico, and I've been living in Stanton, Texas for about 10 to 15 years. I work at Martin County Hospital as an IT help desk technician. I would say my hobbies would consist of cooking, baking, and practicing martial arts in my spare time. My future professional goal is to become a financial advisor and maybe open my own business on the side. I'm looking forward to the semester and hope for the best. Thank you.